It is a horrible day out there. Oh, and good morning. It is pretty early this morning. It is not the nicest day in the world. See. As you can see, it is not a day for the bike. The only problem here when it rains is it gets really slippy, the roads does. It doesn't really rain that much. Hopefully it'll dry up. We're chasing some sunlight today. We've arrived where the sun is, Mogan. It is.
Port of Mogan.
It is one of the nicest places on this island. You have to come and visit. Sam, rate this place out of 10 right now.
Strong 9.5.
9.5. Nice.
9.6.
Nice. What is your conclusion about Playa de Mogan?
It's like England in the sun, really.
Well, it is beautiful. The lost horse, but you know what?
It's worth it for the sun.
It's worth it for the sun, and no wind, no nothing. Good food. Well, we didn't have any food, but
Looks like
it smells good and looks good, so it must be good. And now we are gonna go up to the main town of Mogan, up in the mountains, up there.
Right there.
Yeah. So we'll check in then. 89 cents. What is it? €2 at home? Not too bad. Arrived in Mogan now, looking for some food. It's a very, very quiet little town. Cool. Very nice.
I do this.
Yes?
It's
very, very good.
Yeah.
Highly recommend that place right there. It is awesome.
You cut out. You're lucky the stalled.
You're lucky the car stalled.
If you have the chance, come up this climb from Mogan. You have to. It's unbelievable. Home sweet home. I was getting a bit car sick and that. Not gonna lie. Good man, Joe. Look at that.
Oh, go on.
10 years later. Go on, give us that. Watch this, watch this.
Yeah.
Oh. Yeah. I'm so happy to be home. Gonna upload yesterday's vlog and get something to eat.